Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Tonight's video is going to be me trying to pick this beast of a lock, a challenge lock from a picker called Bear's Back. Phenomenal lock sporter, very good lock picker, and he's got an excellent channel, so please do head over and show him some support. His videos are top notch, and from what I've heard and seen, his locks are no joke either. This lock didn't come directly from Bear's Back, it actually come from Matt's Lockpit in a parcel that I have received recently, so thanks very much Matt, top man. Your details and channel information is in the description below, so hopefully everyone who's watching this will head over to Bear's Back and Matt's Lockpit and show them some support. But for now, let's see if we can get this puppy open on camera. It's called BK8 and there's nothing else on there, so good bit of slop on the core. And again, still trying to master picking upside down. Well, it is to me anyway. To you Americans it's pretty standard, but to me, I'm used to picking this the other way around, so we'll see how we get on. I am getting better. And to be honest with you, I do feel more in control when I can pick this way around, in all honesty. So maybe there's something in it. So I'm going to use top of the keyway tension wrench. I believe this is a 50,000. I've got good control over the core. And we're going to go in with the John Eggington pick, made from 301 high yield stainless steel. And trust us, this is the strongest pick that I have ever picked up. 100%. It's like a crowbar. So, right, starting at the bottom then, at the back. 6, sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just trying to loosen the stack up a bit, get a feel for it. I'm going to increase the tension. 1 sloppy, 2's binding. 1 click out of 2, 3, 1 click, 4, 1 click, 5, 1 click, 6, tiny click, working back through, 5 through to 1, nothing on 5, a little move up off 4, but I believe that's overset, so I've let off the tension. 1 slack, so he's set. 2 set. 3 springy. 4 springy. 5 is our pin. 6 1 still where it needs to be. We're going to work on 2 now. 2 set. Click off 3, another click off 3. Is he set? 3 set. 4 is now binding. 4 stuck. Not a good sign. Oh, they are moved them. 5 click and another click. I reckon chamber 5's got threading. I fell into a false set now when I touched 3. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 fell over into a deeper false set. 4 looking for some count off some one of the pins, hopefully. I need some a little bit thinner with a little bit more reach. 5. 4, I'm getting counter, but I'm going to have to manually counter it, I think. Is that true counter or is it not? I'm going to go to 3. Yeah, 3, give us the open. I'll get this one gutted. Pull in the old pin and mat, wherever I've put it. Oh, this one, I'll use this one. So it should be pretty straightforward to gut this. It's got a decent size circlip on the back. She is with such confidence. Have to get me pliers, bear with us. Sorry folks, he's back in the room. I did have everything set up here, and the thing is, the mother-in-law comes round, the missus wants to move things. I had it all stacked up to the one side here in a nice little filing tray. All of my tools, come back, and what do I find? Can't have all that stuff on there, it's all a bit of a mess, so I've put it in there for you. Cheers love, thank you, nice one for that. So that's what I've got to contend with. I've got a little space underneath the stairs, but what I really need is a lock lab and a little studio so I can get some decent lighting and all the rest of the fun stuff that you'll be able to get. It's at the front. Follower. I don't like this follower I've got. I know Bobby Keys is sending us a little parcel, as good as he is. I think he's putting some followers in for us. Right, so, yeah, as I thought, in chamber 5 there was threading. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The old tweezers out, if they're here. The puppy, I'll sort these out. So in one we've got a lovely looking pin, which is I believe a spool pin. Then we've got a standard in 2, a standard in 3, another spool key pin, a serrated key pin, and then another serrated key pin. And in the core we have some evil, very well done threading, well done mate on that, nice and clean. Nothing in 4, 3, and then number 2 is undercut. Really well done, nice and clean. So, which way was that round now? I'm gonna see it. That way. Soon find out when I watch the video back. That's the back of the lock, that is. Got to be, surely. Oh, not because the shim's in, dickhead. Oh dear. Right, in 1 I think is a standard. 2, funky looking pin. Here's the wife coming in. Hi Bob.
Picking locks again?
Yeah man. This one's done now though, so I'll be 2 seconds.
Wow there.
5, 6. Springs. Is there another part of that pin? Because it looks like a pin in pin. No. Springs. Get them emptied out. We have steel. Looks like a copper, which is being doubled up. Copper, steel. So let's have a dig inside the lock to see if there's anything weird in there. We have, I don't know how he's done it, but there's threading on 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but all of the chims have been threaded. So I'll do some still shots of the pins as I normally do. If you've liked the video, please hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to see more, please like and comment. I'll try to get around to replying to all the comments as soon as I can. Bye for now.